Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to download the Google Play Store on your PC. So let's get started. First, open Chrome. Then, click on the search bar. Search for WSA builds. After that, open the GitHub website. Scroll down and click on WSA builds under the releases section. Once the page loads, scroll down again. You will see the Assets section. Click on the second file to start the download. Once the file is downloaded, extract the zip file. Then, run the bat file as an administrator. Wait for the installation process to finish. Once it's complete, the Google Play Store will be installed on your computer. That's it. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.